If you're new to the project, a big warm welcome. If you're a tough old root, then welcome back. Today we're looking at a compact camp stove. By far, one of the fanciest stoves I've ever seen for the price. Not only is this a very budget-friendly option, but I've also secured a discount code for all you tough old roots, making it even cheaper. So look in the description for that. So when you pull your stove out of the box, it comes to you like this with a mesh bag. You will receive your instructions. I would encourage you to hold on to this paper because this is a very fancy stove at a very reasonable price, but it is very fancy. You've got your grilling grate. These are for use with pots and pans. This right here is for the possibility of burning alcohol. We're going to stick with wood-fired only because I think that's what most people are going to use this stove for. But you have all kinds of pieces to this kit. I mean, look at that. This is the fanciest dang stove I've ever seen. What we're going to do now is we're going to assemble it so you can see how it is set up and how it looks when you are about to use it. Well, this little stove is a beast and it'll certainly heat up some water quick, making some really good oatmeal. I'm gonna add a bit of half and half to this and give it to Ivy. Is it good?
Yep.
You eating that quick, girl?
Yummy. It's good.
So my thoughts on this stove is that it is a very budget-friendly stove. It's also extremely fancy, so you're getting a lot for your money. It is a little bit on the heavy side, but that's because it's got so many parts. So that is not necessarily a negative. I also think that it heats up water really, really quickly and makes some incredible oatmeal. Also, if you liked what you saw, hit that button. If you're new to the project, hit that other button. If you want to help support the project, there are links below. Until next time, here, Steve in the Woods.